I don't think that anyone's year has gone to plan. And in a way, we've all lost something. Perhaps for some, just time. Last New Year, I don't believe that any of us knew what was coming. And even in March, we didn't think that come December, the situation thrown upon us would still be taking precedent in our lives. We all made plans that didn't happen, rescheduled and then cancelled again. For some, it meant having to travel home. For myself, perhaps travelling not so much. A vast part of the year has been spent within four walls, some of us being allowed out every now and again, some thinking how lucky, others not so much. Perhaps with all the extra time to think, some of us have reinvented ourselves, our whole lives, even made drastic life choices for a new world to follow, some, which sadly, will most likely be forgotten when the first wave of sunshine freedom will bring. Nevertheless, I have no doubt that 2020 will be a year not many will want to remember. But perhaps in a way, we should, not for all the evil, but for all the good, the happy moments that may not have happened if your real plans had materialised. Spending more time outside, working on yourself, embracing the small moments that would have otherwise been missed. Perhaps one could say, if you need grandeur and splendour to live a truly happy life, then simply 2020 isn't your enemy. But so for the year when time kept passing by, but life was on pause, perhaps it's time to realise that the real happiness is found within you. And the magic that holds is simply beautiful.
Creeping in, illuminates our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of what we did. It made me think of you, it made me think of you. Under a trillion stars, we danced on top of cars, took pictures of the stage, so far from where we are. They made me think of you, they made me think of you. Oh, lights go down in the moment we lost and found. I just wanna be by your side. If these wings could fly for the rest of our lives. I'm in a foreign state, my thoughts they slip away, my words are leaving me, they call an airplane, because I thought of you, just from the thought of you. these wings could fly. Road lights go down in the moment we're lost and found. I just wanna be by your side. If these wings could fly.